Okay, finally got the ticket for the boat. Okay, we are going to Bohol with the ferry. And now we clear everything, so ready to go inside for the waiting. We are at Florida inside and we are waiting for boarding. And we are going with the Ocean Jet, one of the famous reliable ferry.
Ocean Jet, Kitapin, 12:30, palihog lang ang gawa sa Gate 7.
Now around Bohol. Okay, now the evening time at Bohol is just having fun here.
Why she eat my pito now? That question mark. Huh? Huh? Why?
I didn't know.
The Spanish to
Yeah.
arrive here in Tagbilaran City
Yeah,
for the friendship to the Filipino.
yeah,
The name is Rasi Catuna
yeah.
and Miguel Lopez.
Okay,
Yeah, that's why it's came here in the Philippines.
yeah.
For friendship the Filipino to drink blood.
Blood.
If you want to friendship, okay, drink the blood.
Ah,
Okay.
that's the reasons.
Yes, that's the reason. This is the blood compact.
Yeah, blood
Yeah.
compact.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. The church is since built up 1595 church.
Yeah.
And about 500 years the church. And the church is it's damaged to earthquake.
Yeah.
To 2030's magnitude 7.2 earthquake.
Oh.
Yeah, but now it's already finished. Built.
Yes.
It's a new bridge, sir.
It's a new bridge.
You know, last month or no, last month, last second or third month.
Yeah.
This the one bridge here. Look, this. It's a collapse.
It's collapsed by typhoon.
No, it's the typhoon because so many car in the middle, and we have a truck full loaded, and you know the bridge is collapsed. The car, so many vehicles.
Inside the water.
Yeah, inside the water.
Many more people dead.
It's all four person. About the one foreigner. Yeah.
So that is Jack.
There's no reason to.
Okay. Now we're gonna drink lemonade, fresh lemonade in here. Actually, we wanna do the zip line. I don't wanna do it because I did already, and my wife doesn't want to do zip line. That's why we cancelled our program. But if you wanna do the zip line, we can do from here. It's nice. Now we're going to head further to look the treasure, and with the fresh lemonade. It's very fresh and good one. It's good mood. Eco Park.
Yeah. It's boundary to Lobok and Bilar.
All this man-made forest, right?
Yeah.
When did it? Before many years ago?
Yes, been years. The story of the man-made forest.
Yeah.
About it's mountain the right side.
Yeah.
And mountain the left side. No car, the way the road it's very dangerous because the landslide.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Bilar and Lobok decide to the tree planting. Yeah, tree planting.
And now it's okay.
Yeah, now it's okay because the trees, big trees, to protect.
Last year. Okay, now we're going to look the trash here. In daytime he sleep. In night he will wake up.
Wake up because to find the foods.
Yeah.
Find the foods. Yeah.
Trash here.
Trash here.
Okay. Only in Philippines. In the world, this one. Okay, now we are going to Bohol. We already have the ticket.
Get your ticket.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes.